Apples are a nutritional powerhouse, offering numerous health benefits. They are rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. Apples also contain antioxidants like quercetin and flavonoids, which help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. They are low in calories and sodium, making them a perfect snack for weight management and heart health. Additionally, apples contribute to dental health by stimulating saliva production, which helps wash away food particles and bacteria. Pears are packed with nutrients that support overall health. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Pears also contain vitamins C and K, as well as antioxidants like quercetin and flavonoids, which contribute to immune function and reduce inflammation. Their low calorie content makes them a great choice for weight management, while their natural sweetness satisfies cravings without added sugars. Pears are also hydrating, thanks to their high water content, and contribute to skin health and overall hydration levels. Strawberries offer a plethora of health benefits. They are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune function and skin health. Packed with dietary fiber, strawberries aid digestion and promote a feeling of fullness. Their vibrant red color comes from anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help lower the risk of chronic diseases. Strawberries are also low in calories and sugars, making them a guilt-free treat. Plus, their high water content contributes to hydration and supports overall hydration levels. Oranges are renowned for their nutritional value and health benefits. They are packed with vitamin C, essential for immune function and skin health. Oranges also contain fiber, which supports digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. They are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Oranges are low in calories and high in water content, making them hydrating and a satisfying snack. Their natural sweetness provides a burst of energy without spiking blood sugar levels, making them a wholesome choice for overall health. Lemons are a powerhouse of health benefits. Their high vitamin C content boosts immune function and enhances skin health. They contain soluble fiber, aiding digestion and promoting satiety. Rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and citric acid, lemons combat inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Their alkalizing nature helps maintain optimal pH levels in the body. Additionally, lemon's refreshing flavor and natural detoxifying properties make them invaluable in both culinary dishes and health regimens, offering a versatile way to support overall well-being. Subscribe to watch more videos.